Good morning, students. Today, see the topic of relation between roots and coefficient of a quadratic equation. Relation between roots and coefficient of a quadratic equation. So, consider a quadratic equation. Already we know that one of the quadratic equation ax squared plus bx plus c equal to 0, where a, b, c are real numbers and a not equal to 0. The roots of the given equation are alpha and beta. So the roots of the given equation alpha and beta. So ax squared plus bx plus c is the one of the quadratic equation, and in the roots of alpha and beta. So the sum of the roots. So alpha plus beta. So alpha one of the roots and another one beta is the one of the roots. So sum of the roots alpha plus beta, sum of the roots. So minus coefficient of x by coefficient of x squared. So the equation given the quadratic equation minus coefficient of x or coefficient b. So minus b by a. Then the product of roots alpha into beta. So alpha into beta, the product of the roots, is equal to constant term by constant of x squared, coefficient of x squared. So constant term c and the coefficient of x squared a. So c by a. So using the two formulas, one of sum of the roots and product of the roots. So one of the example, if the difference between the roots of the equation x squared minus 13x plus k equal to 0 is 17, find k. So if the difference between the roots of the equation x squared minus 13x plus k equal to 0 is 17, find k. So find the value of k. So given the equation x squared minus 13x plus k equal to 0. So here a equal to 1 and b equal to minus 13, c equal to k. Let alpha beta be the roots of the equation. So alpha one of the roots and beta another roots. So sum of the roots. So using the formula sum of the roots minus b by a minus formula minus 13, b value minus 13 by 1. So minus into minus plus. So alpha plus beta equal to 13. So alpha plus beta equal to 13. So you mark the equation number 1. The next, the difference between, so alpha minus beta equal to 17. The difference between the quadratic equation is 17. So 17. So mark the equation number 2. So subtraction. So plus beta minus beta is cancel. So alpha plus alpha, 2 alpha is equal to 13 plus 17, 30. So 1 2s are 2, 15 2s are 13. So alpha is equal to 15. Substitute alpha is equal to 15 in equation number 1. So equation number 1, 15 plus beta is equal to 13. Therefore beta is equal to 13 minus 15. So beta is equal to minus 2. So find the value of k. So one of the roots alpha is equal to 15, then another roots beta is equal to minus 2, but alpha into beta is equal to c by a. So c constant term k by 1 is equal to k. So alpha beta is equal to k. So alpha beta, alpha roots 15 into beta minus 2 is equal to k. So therefore k is equal to 15 into minus 2 minus 30. So find the value of k. Okay. The next example, if alpha and beta are the roots of x squared plus 7x plus 10 equal to 0. So find the value of Subdivision number 1, alpha square plus beta square. Subdivision number 2, alpha cube minus beta cube. Subdivision number 3, alpha by beta plus beta by alpha. Okay. So given the equation x squared plus 7x plus 10 equal to 0. So here a equal to 1 and b equal to 7, c equal to constant term 10. So sum of the roots alpha plus beta minus b by a minus b by a 7 by 1 is equal to 7. Alpha into beta product of the roots c by a, c is a constant term, 10 by 1 is equal to 10. So subdivision number 1, alpha square plus beta square is equal to, using the formula for alpha plus beta the whole square minus 2 alpha beta. So using the formula alpha square plus beta square is equal to alpha plus beta the whole square minus 2 alpha beta. So alpha plus beta, already we know that 7 square minus 2 into alpha beta 10. 7 square 49 minus 2 tens are 20. So 49 minus 20, 29. Subdivision number 2, alpha cube minus beta cube. So using the formula alpha minus beta whole cube plus 3 alpha beta into alpha minus beta. So already we know that alpha plus beta, but alpha minus beta, so using the formula for alpha minus beta is equal to square root of alpha plus beta the whole square minus 4 alpha beta. So alpha plus beta the whole square root of alpha plus beta 7 square minus 7 square minus 4 into alpha beta 10. So square root of minus 7 square 49 minus 40 equal to square root of 9 is equal to 3. So alpha minus beta value 3. So 3 cube plus 3 into 10 into 3. So 3 cube 27 plus 3 into 10 30, 30 into 3 90 is equal to 117. Subdivision number 3, alpha by beta plus beta by alpha. So cross multiplication alpha into alpha, alpha square plus beta into beta, beta square divided by alpha into beta. So alpha square plus beta square, already we know that the subdivision number 1, 29. So 29 by alpha into beta 10. So find the value of alpha plus alpha by beta plus beta by alpha is equal to 29 by 10.